Hello once again! Welcome back to my channel! And before I start, I shout out muna sa aking mga friends na mga vloggers din, to Ramon Bosueno and Motor Serie Vlogs. Ayan, shout out sa inyong dalawa. For today's video, this video is a requested video from Courtney Baker. So, I hope you will be able to watch this video because this is for you and you requested for it. So she requested me to make an English video on the tips for the parents and the boys before undergoing circumcision. So this is it. So I hope you will all follow, you will all watch this whole video so that you also will know how to prepare or what to say to your kids or for the boys, or what are you going to do to prepare before undergoing circumcision. Come and watch this video in full. I hope. Okay, here are the tips. For the tip number 1, be ready. So this tip is for both the parents and a boy or your kids. So it is hard for both parent and the kid or your son to undergo this procedure if they do not talk about it, if they do not agree about it. So for parents, so what you have to do is, of course, you have to prepare your kid or your son. Do not force them to undergo this procedure. Let them decide. Let them decide when or where. So at the end of the day, they will be the one who will be subjected to the procedure. Not force them to undergo to this procedure. Just prepare their mind. For the boys, for you boys, you have to be really ready. So do not listen to others if they want it and you don't want it. So you have to decide for yourself. At the end of the day, you will be subjected to the procedure, not your parents, not your father, or not anybody else. So you have to decide for yourself. So be mentally, physically ready for the procedure. For the second tip is explain the procedure or know the procedure. For the parents, of course, do not give your kid or your child a false reassurance. So what are these false reassurance? Example, telling them it's not painful. Telling them you're gonna be okay. It's not really painful. Of course, they are going to be okay, but it's painful. So do not give them false reassurance by telling them fake information or false information too. Another is explain everything to your kid. So what are you going to explain? So example, the procedure, the after effect, the aftercare. So there are lots of things that you may give to your child. So if you do not know the procedure, please do a research or ask a health provider for it. And for the boys, for you boys, expect pain. So it's really, do not believe for those who are saying that it's not painful. Of course it is painful, but of course it's minimal pain. So always remember, do remember that there is no wound or no surgery which are painless. I am not scaring you. What I am saying is the fact. So it is painful. It has pain upon the introduction of anesthesia, and afterwards there's no pain. But after the effect of the anesthesia subside, there will be pain until the next day. So you have to really take your medications religiously for you to avoid too much pain. So that's it. Remember that. No painless surgery. For the third tip, know the aftercare. So this aftercare is very important because it may cause you infection if you don't know how to do it, and it may lessen your pain or prevent you from having infection, for being infected, if you know the aftercare. So for the parents, teach your child how to do the cleaning, and don't hang it loose after the procedure. Please do wear a tight boxer or brief after the procedure at least 1 week. And why? Because this using or wearing tight boxer or brief may prevent inflammation, swelling, and bleeding, because it immobilizes the penis. So the penis should be positioned upright. So by gravity, it will prevent inflammation or swelling. And always remember that wearing of skirt after the procedure is false. As I said, wearing tight boxer or brief will prevent inflammation and swelling and bleeding. So that's it, and I hope that you learn again from me. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone. Have a nice day. Bye!